Okay, so what I'd like to show you today is the power of the Webex Calling platform when we pair it with the rest of the Webex suite. I have a call up right now that was picked up, say, on the mobile phone. And you can see here on the hard phone that the call is there. But I've got back to my desk and I want to pick it up on my soft client on my computer. So I'm just going to click on the call, and then this icon right here, we will pull the call. Sorry about that echo. And we've now have the call here on the workstation. And we put it to the workstation first just so we can show some of the other mid-call handling that we can do here within the Webex application. We can place the call on hold, we can transfer the call, add another person, or if we hadn't been in a call, we'd be able to just dial it straight away. All of these are available now mid-call right within the Webex application. So let's go ahead and transfer the call and see how that process works all the way through. So I'm just going to dial an extension and just bring down this back phone back here, and then I will complete the transfer. And there it goes. Another feature about Webex Calling using the Webex application is the ability to dial a number from a web page. So we could bring up our browser here, and we see a number here for this company called Cisco, and we're going to just call the number. Again, these pop-ups are browser related, not necessarily related to Teams. We're going to say yes, we're going to call it from Teams, and just have the confirmation so you don't just start random dialing numbers accidentally. And there we go. Now we have the call placed from even a web page to a number that you need to do, and you're leveraging your Webex Calling backend. Additional thing I'd like to show that's able to be done within the application is being able to forward your calls. So let's start by just showing that calls are directing to this phone right now. And we see this phone ringing, so we'll answer it and then we'll end the call. But now what I want to do is, say I'm going to be working down in my lab or something like that, I can, within the application, I can forward the calls to another extension, which is the phone back there. Now when someone calls my extension again, and you'll notice that on my hard phone it shows that it's being forwarded, I can call it and it's ringing back here on this back phone. So again, just the power of being able to do all those telephony features from within the Webex application. And the last thing to show for today's video is, again, these first steps that we're taking into desk phone control. We're proceeding on a very agile process, so we're adding more and more features to this all the time. So the mid-call handling features that we see in the application itself, those are going to be coming to desk phone control over the coming months. But to simply connect to a phone, much the same way I would pair to a DX, which you see here listed, but we're just going to select the hard phone for this. And now when I try to call my colleague here, the phone is actually established on my hard phone. And so anything else that I need to do can be done here. We have the mid-call buttons, and I can place the call on hold and I can resume it, but more is coming, so stay tuned for this space. Thank you very much.